Hello everyone. Today in this video, let's get started with poster making. Now, poster making, in this video, we will first know what is a poster, format of writing a poster, and then I will show you few example which will clear you more about how to write a poster. So let's get started. First, what is a poster? It is a visual means of communication through which you can convey your message more effectively as well as efficiently. We can use two different types of sources like text and images, which will make your poster eye catchy as well as informative. Posters are written on different topics, like it can be for announcement or appeal, it can be written on issuing a notice or advertising a product or awareness. Now, first, poster making. Now, what is a poster making? Poster making is the art of making a poster. Just keep a phrase in your mind, less is more, which means where we use few words and we make the things more clear with with images as well as with eye catchy slogans. So this is how we will make poster. So for this, let me tell you how to write a poster with a format. First of all, there is no particular format, but still I have made a format which will give you an outlook how to write a poster and you can get good marks in your examination. First of all, draw a rectangle, and at the top of the rectangle in the middle, inside the rectangle, write down the title and then followed by a slogan. And later on I will send you for few punching lines also, phrases which you can use it as a slogan. And both the side of the slogan you can draw a cloud, inside which you can write information, quotes, anything which is related to the topic for writing a poster. Then you have to write the points. In points or in this bullet points, you can write few of the phrases, you can use few of the words or information which is really very efficient or informative, and it is very related and relevant to the poster asked to you. Next, to make the poster more lively and more colorful, you can draw a picture related to the topic, and then draw a line, and under that line just write down issued by the person who is issuing this poster or who has issued this poster, right? So this information need to be given, this is mandatory. So just have a look of this. Now with an example I will make you more clear. So let's see the example. Now, you are the Health Secretary of Government of India. As part of the public announcement, design a poster regarding COVID appropriate behavior. So let's see how we can design this poster. First of all, let's draw a rectangle. In the rectangle, at the middle of inside the rectangle, we will write the title, that is public service announcement, since it is a poster written on an announcement. Then it is followed by a slogan, and on the both side you can draw a cloud or a star, whatever as your wish. You can write a punch words or quotations like stay home, stay safe, follow COVID guidelines, and then it is followed by different precautions which you should take care when about the COVID guidelines. So it is like wear a mask, clean your hands, maintain safe distance, get vaccinated, and then you can make a few small pictures related to it. If you are not good in drawing, you can also make attractive bullets only. So it is all your wish. And to the just next to these guidelines, to these points, to these rules, draw a picture related to the poster. We have drawn a coronavirus like, and then we have put a cross which depicts that avoid COVID. And then you have to write, which is mandatory, issued by Government of India in public interest. This is mandatory to be written because you should know that who has issued this, and this has to be written because it contains marks. So whole this poster carries 4 marks. Now I have an exercise for you. Don't worry. You can pause the video, write it by yourself, and then at the end I have given the solution. You can match your poster as well as what I have framed, and then you can get more ideas. So the poster you have to write is about you are the marketing manager of NRM Learning Solutions. Design a poster inviting people to an e-learning fair at a school. So you can now pause and write the poster by yourself. And now here is the look how I have framed a poster for you. I have drawn a rectangle, then I have given a title, e-learning fair. The slogan I have written under it, then eye-catchy words have been written over there. So first let's revise. First we have revised what is a poster. It is a visual means of communication where the thoughts are explained or conveyed efficiently and effectively. You can use text and images to make the poster eye-catching and informative. Then different type of posters are discussed: announcements, issue a notice, advertisement, awareness. We can write posters on these topics. And then we have discussed how to write a poster making. What is exactly a poster making? Then format of poster making. Now again I'm repeating, there is no particular format. You can write the poster in your own way. I have just given an outlook. You can change it, but the way is same. You have to write title, you have to write slogan, you have to write eye-catchy words, you have to give information regarding what the poster is talking about, and then you have to draw a picture, and then you have to draw a line at the end, and then you have to mention it is issued by or conducted by or organized by, because this information is mandatory. Just have a look on the format. This is just an outlook. You can change the format as of your wish. You can add more of the pictures as your wish. This is just an outlook for you which I have made. And once again I'm repeating, the poster is of 4 marks, right? And then at the later on we have discussed one example. Again you can go through this example, and then I have also shown you how to write a poster. Then after this I have given you an exercise which you have to write it, and then you can match it with what I have already solved. I hope the poster making is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice night.